Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last video, we learnt about iron thumbnails and iron avatars, their differences and their similarities. In this video, we are going to take a look at iron img tag and the HTML img tag. So let us first look at iron img tag. Here is the Ionic documentation and here is the img tag and its description. Let me write some code here. Both img and img tags have a common attribute, that is source, that points to the image that we want to load. We have just one image and that we are going to display with the help of img. Let me just save it and see the image is loaded. Let me put another tag here, the img tag given by HTML, and we will point to the same image. Let me save it and here it is. So if we can see from the images on the right hand side on our app, there is not much visual difference, and not much, in fact there is no visual difference whether it is displayed in img or in img. So what's the point in using img instead of img? Let's go to Ionic documentation for our answers. So just read through. img is a tag that will lazily load an image whenever the tag is in the viewport. Now there are some important terms here: lazily load and viewport. This is extremely useful when generating a large list, as images are only loaded when they are visible. Okay. Now what the documentation wishes to say is this. See, this is our application, this is the header, these are three list items, you can say these are three items, and these are our images. At present, as a user, we are able to see both the images. So this is actually this part from here to here. This is known as the viewport, and all the things are clearly visible to us. But just imagine a huge list of items, such as a list of items in an e-commerce application or a list of contacts. If there are so many items, some part of it will be visible here and some of its part will not be visible. When we scroll down, those items will be visible to us. So just imagine now, if those items that are not visible to us, if they contain an image, would it be good if the images will load even if they are not visible? What we want is to see the images when we scroll down. There is no point in loading the images if the user is not scrolling down. So that is where this lazy loading of images comes into the picture. Lazy loading ensures that the images are loaded only when the user scrolls down. As the user scrolls down, the images start loading. This is known as lazy loading. And what happens when the images on top of the list go beyond the viewport? They get out of the memory as well, and when we scroll up, the images load back. So this is the concept of lazy loading, and this concept is in iron image and not in img tag. So to make our applications behave more efficiently, we must use iron img tag, because it takes care of a lot of functionality behind the curtains. We don't have to take care of it. Ionic does it by default if we use iron img tag. So I hope you got my point. This is one of the differences. The second difference: iron img tag, every Ionic tag is a combination of some HTML, some CSS, and some embedded JavaScript functionality. So the iron image that is displayed, it is a combination of the already built HTML img tag plus some HTML, some CSS, and some by default JavaScript. And this default JavaScript gives us a facility of events. So see, there are three types of events that are associated with ION-IMG. ION error emitted when the image fails to load. ION image did load emitted when the image has finished loading. So I am going to use this one. It is an event. Let me copy it and let me put it inside ION-IMG, and the syntax is this, and what I can specify is a function. Let me copy this, and we can always put the function definition inside homepage.ts, and here it is. Let me log it. We are not going to do any complicated we are not going to write any complicated code. Just log it. Let me maximize it, Control Shift M, see how big the image is, inspect the element, go to console, Control Shift M, and we can see something is written here. Image is loaded. From where this log has come? This log has come when the function do something is triggered. When is do something triggered? When the image is loaded. As soon as, let me maximize this, as soon as the image is loaded with the help of ION-IMG tag, the ION image did load event is fired, that called do something method. And do something method, what is the task of do something method? To log that image is loaded. So guys, we can associate some functionality with different events emitted by ION-IMG, but not with IMG. Let's do one thing. Just cut it from here and put it inside ION-IMG. And if you can see, there is no trigger and no logging done. So guys, I have explained you two differences between ION-IMG and IMG tag. What should we use? When should we use? All the things that are provided by the simple IMG element is also provided by ION-IMG tag, and a lot more. It gives us efficiency without worrying about it. It gives us events without writing extra JavaScript code. And while we are I will like to make this point again, that ION-IMG is the superset of IMG tag. All that can be achieved with IMG can also be achieved with ION-IMG, and if we are building an application in Ionic, we must use ION-IMG. So I hope you got my point, and thanks for watching this video. And in the next video we are going to work on lists, so stay tuned. Thanks.